Hi guys, how to upload and share files on Google Drive. Now open your web browser, click the Google Apps grid icon in the top right corner. It looks like 9 tiny dots, and select Google Drive. This is the fastest way in, faster than typing drive.google.com every time. Once your Drive homepage loads, navigate to the top left side of the screen and click the new button. This tiny button is the starting point for every upload, so don't overlook it. Choose File Upload from the drop-down menu to open your computer's File Explorer, then locate the document, image, or video you want to add. Here's a pro tip. You can also drag and drop files directly, but this method works every time. Click on your chosen file to select it, then click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window to start the upload. Keep watching because the next step shows you where to find your file after it's done. Monitor the progress bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once finished, click Recent in the left sidebar menu to see and verify your successfully uploaded file.